Hello everybody, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. So in today's lecture we will going to discuss about chapter 1 sets exercise 1.5. So let's get started. So exercise 1.5 question 1. ओके इसमें हमें क्वेश्चन 1 में हमें कुछ सेट्स दे रखे हैं दैट इज़ अ यूनिवर्सल सेट हमें जिसमें हमें कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स फाइंड करने हैं जिसमें हमें यूनिवर्सल सेट दे रखा है 1 2 3 4 5 this is the second 4 5 6 7 8 and 9 this is a universal set. Okay, our set A is 1 2 3 4 and our set B is 2 6 4 and 8. Okay, and our set C is 3 4 5 and 6. This is our set. So the first part we have to find a complement. Okay, first we have to find a complement, so let's get started. So first part we have to find is a complement. A complement we have to find. So a complement is equal to universal minus of set A. What we have universal is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. This is a universal and our set A is 1 2 3 4. So we subtract it, what we get is 5 6 7 8 and 9. So this is our A complement. This is the first answer of the first part. Now the second part is B complement. B complement universal minus of B. Universal is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Now minus of B क्या है 2 4 6 8. Universal minus of 2 4 6 8. So what we get 1 3 5 7 and 9. This is what we get. This is B complement. Okay, this is the answer of the B second part. Now we were shifting to the third part of the question number 1. Now the third part is A union B, A union C complement. A union C का complement. Okay, now how to solve this A union C? हम पहले A union C बना लेंगे. A union C we have 1 2 3 4 and C we have 3 4 5 6. So what we total was the union is 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Okay, this is the union and we have to find the complement. Complement was the formula of minus of A union C. This is the formula of A union C complement. Now A union C complement. So union is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9 was our union and minus of A union C is 1 2 3 4 5 6. So what we get is A union C complement is 7 8 and 9. This is A union C complement. This is the answer of the third part. Now we are shifting for the fourth part of the question. Now the fourth part is A union B complement. A union B is, what is A union B? Now we have to find. A union B is 1 2 3 4 and 6 8. हमें A और B पता है तो हम उसका यूनियन निकाल सकते हैं. एंड ए यूनियन बी कॉम्प्लीमेंट कैसे आएगा, यूनियन माइनस ऑफ ए यूनियन बी, सेट हम माइनस कर देंगे, ए यूनियन बी यहाँ से हमें पता चल गया है, ए यूनियन बी ये है। नाउ हमने अब यूनियन माइनस ऑफ ए यूनियन बी माइनस कर देना है, यूनियन में से ए यूनियन बी माइनस कर देना है, सबट्रैक्ट। सो वी गेट द ए यूनियन बी कॉम्प्लीमेंट। Union is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and our A union B is 1 2 3 4 6 8. So what we get is 5 7 and 9. This is A union B. Okay, A union B complement. Okay, this is the answer of the fourth part of the question number 1. Now we were shifting to the fifth part, the last part of the question. Okay, now the fifth part is A complement to complement का दोबारा कॉम्प्लीमेंट फाइंड करना है। तो हमें ए हमने फाइंड किया था ए कॉम्प्लीमेंट पहले प्रीवियस में फर्स्ट उसमें सी दिस व्हाट वी हैव फाइंड द ए कॉम्प्लीमेंट, जस्ट अ सेकेंड, सी दिस इज व्हाट वी हैव फाइंड ए कॉम्प्लीमेंट, यहाँ पे हमने फाइंड किया था ए कॉम्प्लीमेंट, दिस इज वी फाइंड इट ए कॉम्प्लीमेंट। तो ए कॉम्प्लीमेंट हमारा क्या है 5 6 7 8 9। नाउ हम क्या करेंगे, वहीं पर उसका दोबारा कॉम्प्लीमेंट कर लेंगे, यहाँ पर जस्ट अ सेकेंड, या दिस इज सी ए कॉम्प्लीमेंट हमारा आया था 5 6 7 8 and 9. This is our A complement. So A complement का complement is equal to union minus of A complement. Union we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, minus of A complement we have 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, so subtract करेंगे, what we get is 1 2 3 4. This is A complement का complement. So this is the answer of the first part of fifth question number 1. Okay, now we were shifting to the question number 2. So now we were shifting to the question number 2. Just a second. Minus of A. So A complement is equals to union minus of A. Union था A B C D E F G H and minus of A is A B C. तो बाकी complement आया D E F G H. This is the answer. I hope you got it. Now we were shifting to the second part of this question. Now the second part is B complement. B complement is equal to universal minus of B. Okay, B है D E F G. So हम minus करेंगे, then what we get is A B C D. No, D नहीं आएगा. This is the answer. Okay, this is the answer of complement, B complement. This is B complement. I hope you got it. Now we were shifting to the third part, the C. C is given A C E G. This is given C set, and C complement we find is universal minus of C, and what we get is D D F and H. This is the B complement which does not belongs to C. This is which does not belongs to C. Universal minus of C means which does not belong to C. B D F H. This is the answer. I hope you got it. Now we were shifting to the third part of this question, is C complement. Fourth part of this question. Now the fourth part is D is equals to F G H A. This is the fourth part of this question, which we have to find the D complement is universal minus of D. Universal we have A B C D E F G H, and minus of D is F G H A. So we get B C D E. This is the D complement. This is the D complement is B, C, D, E. Okay, this is the answer. Now we were shifting to the third question. Now our third question is, question number third is, taking the set of the natural number as the universal set and write down the complement of the following sets. हमें यहाँ पे कुछ सेट्स गिवन है सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म में, इन विच उनमें हमें उसका कॉम्प्लीमेंट बताना है. सो यहाँ पर x सच दैट ना यहाँ पर हमें गिवन है x सच दैट x इज अ नेचुरल इवन नेचुरल नंबर्स. तो यहाँ पर हम इसका कॉम्प्लीमेंट क्या निकालेंगे, x such that x is not even natural numbers. कॉम्प्लीमेंट क्या होता है, कॉम्प्लीमेंट मीन्स विच डज नॉट बिलोंग टू द सेम सेट. मतलब जिस सेट का हमें कॉम्प्लीमेंट निकालना है वो उस सेट में बिलोंग ना करे. दिस इज उसका अपोजिट, मेनली उसका अपोजिट होता है. नाउ द सेकेंड पार्ट इज x such that x is an odd natural number. So our complement is x such that x is not an odd natural number. Not an odd natural number. This is the second part of this question. Now we were shifting to the third part. Now the third part is x such that x is a positive multiples of 3. Now the third part is आएगा x such that x is a negative multiple of 3. Now we were shifting to the fourth part, x such that x is a prime number. Now x such that x is not a prime number. This is the fourth part answer. Okay, now we're shifting to the fifth part of this question. Now the fifth part is x such that x is a natural number divisible by 3. तो is not a natural number divisible by 3. Okay, now the sixth part is x such that x is a perfect square. So हम यहाँ लिख देंगे x such that x is not a perfect square. Okay, this is the sixth part is done. Now we were shifting to the seventh part of this question. Now the seventh part is seventh part is done. Now we were shifting to the eighth part of this question. Eighth part is x such that x plus 5 is equals to 8. This is the question. So the answer in set builder form is x such that x plus 5 is not equals to 8. This is the answer of the eighth part. Now we were shifting to the ninth part. The rest will remain like this. Same ही है, x such that x to x plus 5 is not equals to 9. This is the answer of the ninth part. Now we were shifting to the 10th part of this question. So the 10th part is x such that x, this is the question of 10th and the answer is x such that x is like this equals to 7. Okay, this is the answer of the 10th part. Now we were shifting to the last part, is 11th one. Okay, now the 11th one is 11th one is the question of 11th is x such that x belongs to n and 2x plus 1 like this. Okay, now इसका आंसर हो जाएगा x such that x belongs to n and हम उसका साइन अपोजिट कर देंगे 2x plus 1 which, क्योंकि कॉम्प्लीमेंट का मतलब ही यही होता है कि विच डज नॉट बिलोंग टू द सेम सेट। इस सेट के अंदर, ये वाला जो सेट है क्वेश्चन 11th में, इस सेट के अंदर बिलोंग नहीं करना चाहिए उसका आंसर, विच नॉट बिलोंग टू द सेम सेट। इसका कॉम्प्लीमेंट का मतलब ही यही होता है। ओके, नाउ वी वर शिफ्टिंग टू द 4th क्वेश्चन। So the 4th question is question 4th। इसमें यूनिवर्सल सेट दे रखा है, ए सेट दे रखा है, बी सेट दे रखा है एंड वेरीफाई करना है ए यूनियन बी कॉम्प्लीमेंट इज इक्वल्स टू ए कॉम्प्लीमेंट इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ बी कॉम्प्लीमेंट। ओके, ये ऐसा ही हमने एग्जाम्पल भी किया था प्रीवियस लेक्चर में। सो अब हमें फाइंड करना है ए यूनियन बी सेट is equals to A complement intersection of B complement. First we are taking the LHS. Okay, first we are taking the LHS in which we are doing A union B. Complement है तो A union B पहले find कर लेते हैं। A union B is 2 4 6 8 6 8 2 3 आ जाएगा 6 8 5 एंड 7। दिस इज द यूनियन। आप इसको सीरियल वाइज लिख लीजिए 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 लाइक दिस। ओके, दिस इज द यूनियन ऑफ A union B. Now we have to find the complement. A union B complement is equals to union minus of A union B. Okay, now we were finding the A union B complement. हम इसमें माइनस कर देंगे union minus of A union B. So we have union is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and our A union B is 2 4 6 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, so what we get A union B complement is equals to 1 and 9. So this is our complement of A union B complement. This is what we get, A union B complement. Now we are finding the right hand side of this question, RHS, which is A complement. Union minus of A. Union we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and A is 2 4 6 8. So we have 1 3 5 7 and 9. This is our A complement. And what is our B complement? Now we will find that as well. So our B complement is, now we are finding the B complement, union minus of B. Union we have already in the question and B as well we have already in the question. So what we get, 1 4 6 8 and 9. This is the B complement. Now इसका intersection, A complement intersection with B complement. So our A complement is 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 is our A complement and B complement is 1 4, 6, 8 and 9. Now what is the intersection? इसमें क्या क्या सेम आ रहा है? Just a second. सॉरी, हमारा ए कॉम्प्लीमेंट मैंने यहाँ गलत लिखा है. वेट मैंने यहाँ हमारा ए कॉम्प्लीमेंट गलत लिख दिया. Our A complement is 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 is our A complement. So our intersection is 1 and 9. This is our intersection from RHS. This is our right hand side, and our left hand side is already, we have found it. This is our LHS. This is our LHS 1 and 9, and our RHS as well is 1 and 9. This one. So now we can prove that, now we can say that just a second. Hence proved A union B complement is equals to A complement intersection with B complement. This is the proof. Now we were shifting to the second part of this question. The second part is A intersection of B complement is equals to A complement union of B complement. Now we are finding the A intersection with B. So what we get is A intersection with B. What we get is just 2, because A is 2, 4, 6, 8 and B is 2, 3, 5, 7. Everything is different except 2. So we'll find A intersection B is 2. Now this is the LHS. Now A intersection of B complement is equals to union minus of A intersection with B. Okay, union minus of A intersection B करेंगे तो what we get is union minus of A intersection with B 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. This is A intersection with B complement. Okay. Now we were proving the right hand side. The RHS is A complement union of B complement. So what does A complement is union minus of A 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. This is our A complement, and our B complement is union minus of B. So what is our B complement? B complement is 1, 4, 6, 8 and 9. This is a B complement. Now we were finding A complement union of B complement. So what we get is, repetition allowed नहीं होता, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. This is our A complement union of B complement. This is what we get this is our RHS. Now our LHS is what? Our LHS is this. This is our LHS 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sorry, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is our LHS. And what we get in our RHS is 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Both were same. So we can conclude that we can clearly conclude that hence proved LHS is equals to RHS means A intersection of B complement is equals to A complement union of B complement. We can clearly conclude this. So this is our answer. Now we were shifting to the question number 7, the last question of this exercise. Okay, now we were shifting to the last question of this exercise. Just a second. Yeah, now we were shifting to the last. This is the last question. Now the last question is question number 7, in which first is A union of A complement is equals to पूछा गया. तो हम सपोज एक एग्जाम्पल ले लेते हैं, एग्जाम्पल के थ्रू हम बता देते हैं. ए हमने एक सेट ले लिया 1 and 2 और एक यूनियन सेट ले लिया विच इज 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, this is the union set, this is the A set. Now what is A complement is union minus of A. What we get is 3, 4. A complement. अब हमारे पास A ये था, this is our A, and wait, now this is our A is this and A complement is this, right? A complement is this 3 and 4 and our A is 1 and 2. Now अब हम क्या करेंगे, अब इसका यूनियन निकालेंगे. A union with of A complement, what we get is 1, 2, 3, 4. What we get is our 1, 2, 3, 4. For 1, 2, 3, 4, what is this? 1, 2, 3, 4 is our union. We can see it from here that 1, 2, 3, 4 is our union. So we can conclude that this is our union. Okay, now यहाँ पर हम स्पेस में फिल कर सकते हैं that A union of A complement is equals to union. Okay, now we were shifting towards our second part of this question. Just a second, just erasing it, just a second. Yeah, now is our second. So our second part is phi complement intersection of A, what we get. ये पूछा है हमसे. phi का complement क्या होगा? Union minus of phi. phi complement is equals to क्या होगा? यूनियन और एक A दे रखा है हमें. A1 2 3, suppose this is our A. So इन दोनों का intersection phi complement means U का intersection with A. So we got nothing ना, क्योंकि U तो defined है ही नहीं. I hope you got it. I hope this is now visible. यहाँ पे clearly visible है. Phi intersection of A, phi is equals to union minus of phi complement is equals to union. Okay, now A set suppose यहाँ पर कोई given है. Okay, now this is what is 1 2 and 3. तो हम phi complement का intersection A के साथ निकालेंगे, तो what we get is A. So this is our answer. Now the third part is, ये आप खुद प्रूव करके देखेंगे. थर्ड एंड फोर्थ, A intersection of A complement is what we get is phi, and fourth का है union complement intersection with A, what we get is phi as well. तो इन दोनों के proof is your homework. I hope this is done. This exercise is done. I hope you get it. If you got it, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.